health channel. In this video, I want to explain about cucumber diet and lemon or lime for weight loss. Cucumber diet and lemon or lime for weight loss. So if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe for more healthy videos. And if you like this video, just don't forget to give it a like. So let's begin. After making that diet, so this diet, it contains cucumber, also it contains lime. Okay, so all these components, all these ingredients which are here have their benefits. For example, here we have cucumber, also we have lemon or lime. So it is like this. Cucumber, it is low in calories. Cucumber is low in calories, also has high water content, also has high fiber content. So apart from cucumber helping in weight loss, but also cucumber has other health benefits. For example, help in prevent bloating, also help in constipation. So if you have constipation and if you have bloating, you can use cucumber. But also we have cucumber it is a detox. It is a detox, so very beneficial in weight loss. So for those people who have increased weight, you can use cucumber, also can use lemon. So you take cucumber and lemon, you mix it, and you take this diet for in the morning and in the evening. So when you eat this diet for about 1 week, you start to see changes. But if you don't see changes, make sure to go to the hospital for more medical checkup. So I'm going to try this diet here. Very nice, very helpful for weight loss. Yeah, very interesting. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. Thank you.